First Warn 5 weather with Matt Holliner.
.43 this morning, and the activity continues to stay to our north. We've got a couple of frontal systems, but none of them will be working into the state of Texas. Notice this one getting close, but no cigar, as they say. Now, this is actually going to lead to a severe weather threat, a warm front lifting over the northeast now, but actually in parts of New York City, Washington, D.C., they have a chance of seeing severe weather. Not the most common place to see severe storms, but it does happen out there. And there's another cold front up to the north, another cold front out west. But the one thing that I think is going to influence us more than anything today is I've been talking about this area of high pressure. It was earlier in the week closer to us, and that's why we had such bright sunny skies. Now that it's farther away, we're not going to be seeing as much sunshine. They're going to be able to have more clouds in here, and also we're going to have more humid conditions. The humidity continues to rise today, and it's going to continue to rise as we get into the weekend. The weekend, if you think it's hot today, the weekend is going to be really rough. Unfortunately, some of our hottest weather is going to be on the weekend. Let's pinpoint things for now. Partly cloudy skies at 9 a.m. I think this will be the cloudiest period of the day. It's going to be late morning, early afternoon, but as we get later into the afternoon, those clouds are going to be breaking up. Maybe not as much as yesterday, but I'll go ahead and still call it mostly sunny skies as we get to around 3 o'clock or so. Highs are around 90 degrees, but today we got to start talking about the heat index, or that feels like temperature. It's going to be around 91 today, so still not too bad, but this is actually looking like our coolest day over the next 7 days. That kind of gives you an idea of what's coming. Mostly clear skies still at 9 o'clock, but the clouds thicken up overnight, and I think actually tomorrow morning, I think we'll start out with mostly cloudy skies, but I think that's what most will see, though there is a small chance for a few showers and sprinkles, mainly in the lower valley out along the coast. Most of it's probably going to stay offshore, but I can't rule out maybe a stray shower working in here and just this real humid air mass. Any sprinkles that do occur, and most of us are not going to see them, will be, I think it's all going to be over with by 11 a.m. Then the clouds are going to be breaking up, and I think we're still going to see some pretty good sunshine, so we're still going to warm up to around 90 tomorrow, but tomorrow the humidity even worse, so that feels like temperature is going to be 92, and that's really going to be the big story going into the weekend is how bad that heat index is going to get, and it's not going to be pleasant. 90 is going to be our high today, partly cloudy, mainly in the morning hours, and then becoming mostly sunny this afternoon. Winds 10 to 15, so still you'll notice a little bit of a breeze, but I wouldn't call it a breezy day. We kind of get used to these this time of year. A breeze of around 10 to 15 miles per hour is pretty typical. Here's how our high temperatures break down. A high of 90 in Harlingen, 89 in Raymondville, 91 in Edinburgh, 94 in Rio Grande City, and just 83 at South Padre Island. Tonight, we cool down to 70. Notice we're not cooling down as much because that humidity continues to rise. Mostly clear skies early, mostly cloudy late. And I do want to leave a small chance for showers early tomorrow morning, but many of us are staying dry. I want to highlight when there's at least an opportunity for rain because we've had so little of it lately. By the way, this weekend, that 93 is going to feel more like 96. On Mother's Day, at 92 is going to feel more like 97. At least there's a breeze on Saturday. There's not going to be much of a breeze on Sunday. And the humidity stays high, so it feels like temperatures are going to stay in those mid-90s, even the upper 90s. A small chance of rain Monday and Tuesday, but I still think many are going to stay dry.